1. 1974 Chevrolet Nova Custom. Price, $15,500, located Erlanger, Kentucky. This solid 1974 Chevrolet Nova Custom is a dependable classic muscle car that combines strong small-block Chevrolet performance with timeless street cruiser styling and excellent mechanical upgrades. Finished in a striking green exterior with a black interior, this Nova delivers an aggressive appearance that turns heads everywhere it goes while maintaining the authentic personality of a 70s American muscle car. Under the hood sits a reliable Chevrolet 350 V8 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission for smooth shifting performance and comfortable highway cruising capability. The engine has received numerous upgrades including a Demon 625 carburetor, Flowtech aluminum heads with 202 valves, roller tip rockers, hardened push rods, new alternator, starter, cables, and valve covers. The drivetrain also features a strong 4.10 rear gear setup for improved acceleration and street performance. Although the car retains drum brakes on all four corners, it reportedly stops very well and drives straight without vibration issues. The rear air shocks hold air properly while the interior remains clean and functional for its age. This Nova is not a high-end show car, but it remains a strong, reliable cruiser with classic Chevrolet muscle car appeal and dependable V8 performance, perfect for weekend driving and local car events. 2. 1973 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu. Price, $19,900, located Van Buren, Ohio. This beautiful 1973 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu is a well-preserved classic muscle car that combines timeless Chevrolet styling with dependable V8 performance and excellent long-term ownership history. Finished in a clean blue exterior with a black interior, this Chevelle delivers a classic 70s muscle car appearance with strong road presence and smooth body lines that continue to attract attention at cruises and local car shows. Under the hood sits a reliable Chevrolet 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission for comfortable street driving and dependable highway cruising capability. The vehicle has recently received important maintenance upgrades including a new carburetor, fuel pump, alternator, and water pump, helping ensure reliable performance for the next owner. According to the seller, this car spent the majority of the last 4 decades stored carefully inside a garage and driven very sparingly, which has helped preserve the overall condition. Inside, the black interior complements the exterior perfectly while maintaining the classic muscle car atmosphere expected from an early 70s Chevrolet. This Chevelle Malibu is an excellent choice for collectors or enthusiasts searching for a dependable vintage cruiser with strong V8 performance, clean styling, and classic American muscle car personality. 3. 1967 Dodge Coronet. Price, $32,500, located Des Plaines, Illinois. This stunning 1967 Dodge Coronet is a powerful Mopar muscle car that combines aggressive classic styling with legendary big block performance and carefully maintained condition throughout the build. Finished in a sleek black exterior with a matching black interior, this Coronet features a custom 1966 grille conversion that gives the vehicle an even more distinctive and intimidating appearance on the road. Under the hood sits a massive 440 cubic inch V8 engine bored 30 over for increased performance and stronger power delivery. The engine is paired with an automatic transmission that delivers smooth shifting performance while maintaining the raw muscle car driving experience expected from a classic Mopar build. Additional upgrades include front disc brakes, rear drum brakes, electric brake pump system, LED front lighting modifications, trickle charger setup, and a recently installed new battery. The car has been garage kept and professionally maintained by an experienced Mopar technician, ensuring dependable operation and strong mechanical condition. This Dodge Coronet remains an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts searching for a serious big block Mopar muscle car with aggressive styling, reliable performance, and excellent collector appeal for shows, cruises, and weekend driving enjoyment. 4. 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu SS Clone. Price, $36,000, located Reed City, Michigan. This impressive 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu SS Clone is a professionally built muscle car that combines iconic Chevelle styling with serious big block performance and aggressive street machine attitude. Finished with authentic SS-inspired appearance upgrades, this custom Malibu captures the timeless look of one of Chevrolet's most legendary muscle cars while delivering strong V8 power and excellent road presence. Under the hood sits a built 396 big block Chevrolet engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission for smooth shifting performance and exciting acceleration capability. The drivetrain also features a 3.73 rear-end gearing setup that provides a perfect balance between street cruising comfort and strong off-the-line performance. The vehicle includes a color-matched SS dashboard that further enhances the authentic muscle car atmosphere inside the cabin. The body presents extremely well with classic 70s Chevelle lines and aggressive styling details that make the car stand out at local shows and cruise events. This Chevelle Malibu SS clone is an outstanding opportunity for collectors or enthusiasts searching for a dependable big block Chevrolet muscle car with iconic styling, upgraded performance, and strong custom personality throughout the build. 5. 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu Sport Coupe. Price, $7,000, located Crete, Illinois. This classic 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu Sport Coupe is an affordable vintage muscle car that combines dependable V8 power with comfortable cruising capability and timeless Chevrolet styling. Featuring a four-door sport coupe body design, this Chevelle offers a unique combination of practicality and classic muscle car personality that remains increasingly difficult to find in original running condition. Under the hood sits a reliable Chevrolet 350 V8 engine producing approximately 250 horsepower and paired with a smooth shifting 3-speed automatic transmission for comfortable everyday driving and highway cruising. The vehicle is also equipped with factory air conditioning, adding additional comfort during warm weather driving. According to the seller, the car runs and drives well overall, making it a solid foundation for restoration, weekend cruising, or future customization projects. The body retains the unmistakable styling lines that made the 1969 Chevelle one of the most recognizable American muscle cars ever produced. This Chevrolet Malibu represents an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts searching for an affordable classic project car with dependable V8 performance, vintage character, and strong potential for continued improvement or restoration. 6. 1970 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $28,500, located Madison Heights, Michigan. This powerful 1970 Chevrolet Nova is a serious street and strip muscle car built for high-performance driving and aggressive acceleration while maintaining classic Chevrolet styling. Finished in a beautiful blue exterior with a black interior, this Nova delivers an intimidating muscle car presence with strong street appeal and impressive custom performance upgrades throughout the build. Under the hood sits a professionally built high-horsepower engine designed for serious speed and aggressive throttle response. The seller describes the car as extremely fast with a powerful exhaust tone that perfectly matches the aggressive character of the vehicle. The drivetrain is paired with an automatic transmission that delivers smooth shifting performance while handling the strong horsepower output effectively. The car has only a limited number of miles since the current build, showing the fresh condition of the drivetrain and mechanical setup. The exterior paint presents very well while the black interior maintains the timeless muscle car atmosphere expected from a classic Nova build. This Chevrolet Nova is an excellent choice for enthusiasts searching for a dependable high-performance street machine with strong acceleration, aggressive styling, and the unmistakable personality of a classic American muscle car. 7. 1962 Mercury Comet Pro Street. Price, $5,500, located Louisville, Kentucky. This 1962 Mercury Comet Pro Street project is a solid all-steel roller platform offering excellent potential for serious drag racing or custom street machine development. Built with performance in mind, this classic Comet features a professionally fabricated 2x3 custom frame along with a Mustang 2 front suspension setup designed to improve handling, stability, and overall chassis strength. The rear section includes a Ford 9-inch rear end with leaf spring suspension and rear spring sliders for improved drag racing performance and launch capability. Additional upgrades include front disc brakes, aluminum radiator, driveshaft, MSD ignition box wiring, fuel cell area preparation, and Mickey Thompson performance components already installed on the vehicle. The body remains all steel with factory glass still in place, although the windshield does have a crack and the front fenders have been trimmed slightly for tire clearance. While the car currently does not include an engine, transmission, fuel system, or shifter, it provides an excellent starting point for enthusiasts searching for an affordable Pro Street foundation with strong fabrication work already completed and a clean title included with the build. 8. 1988 Ford Mustang GT Drag Car. Price, $11,000, located Lancaster, Ohio. This professionally built 1988 Ford Mustang GT drag car is a dedicated race machine engineered for serious quarter-mile performance and competitive outlaw class racing. Featuring a clean Ohio title and proven racing history, this Fox body Mustang was previously certified to run in the 7-second range and achieved impressive quarter-mile times under previous ownership. The vehicle is built around a Fab 9 fabricated Ford rear end equipped with strange aluminum center section and 35 spline axles for outstanding durability under extreme racing conditions. Additional upgrades include lightweight tubular front suspension, rack and pinion steering, aerospace aluminum disc brakes, wheelie bars, and lightweight fiberglass body panels designed to reduce overall weight and improve track performance. The interior has been stripped and rebuilt with lightweight race components while still retaining functioning headlights and taillights. Although currently a roller without engine or transmission, the car previously ran a Big Chief big block Chevrolet engine paired with a Powerglide transmission. This Mustang GT represents an outstanding opportunity for racers searching for a professionally prepared drag chassis with proven performance history and serious racing potential. 9. 1975 Chevrolet Camaro Race Car. Price, $13,500, located Holland, Michigan. This aggressive 1975 Chevrolet Camaro race car is a powerful drag strip machine built with serious big block performance and proven track capability. Under the hood sits a massive 468 big block Chevrolet engine featuring 13:1 compression and professionally worked cylinder heads designed for high horsepower output and strong acceleration. The drivetrain is paired with a 2-speed Powerglide transmission equipped with a trans brake and safety reverse setup for hard-launching drag strip performance and reliable race operation. The rear end includes 4.88 gears, upgraded axle shafts, axle supports, and oversized rear drag tires that provide excellent traction during competition use. According to the seller, the car consistently runs strong quarter-mile times and has achieved even quicker passes when shifted manually. Despite its race-focused setup, the Camaro has still been driven to local car shows and events, demonstrating dependable operation outside the drag strip environment. Inside, the vehicle features a basic race interior with roll cage protection and lightweight components. This Camaro is an excellent choice for enthusiasts searching for a dependable big block race car with classic 70s muscle car styling and proven drag racing performance. 10. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Drivetrain Package. Price, $10,000, located Thornville, Ohio. This powerful 1969 Chevrolet Camaro drivetrain package is an outstanding opportunity for drag racing enthusiasts searching for a proven high-performance setup with strong racing history and serious street machine potential. The complete drivetrain includes a professionally built Chevrolet 350 Superstalker engine that has reportedly been part of a dedicated race car since the early 70s, delivering strong launches and dependable performance throughout its racing life. The engine package includes everything from the intake system down to the oil pan, along with a matching transmission equipped with a high stall converter for aggressive acceleration and drag strip capability. Additional components included with the setup are a 12-bolt rear end, racing wheels and tires, fuel pump system, shifter assembly, tachometer, and electrical switches mounted above the windshield area. According to the seller, the drivetrain runs extremely strong and launches very hard, making it an excellent foundation for a classic Camaro project or vintage drag racing build. This complete package offers tremendous value for enthusiasts searching for proven Chevrolet performance components with authentic old-school racing character and serious performance potential. 11. 1985 Ford Mustang GT. Price, $29,000, located North Olmsted, Ohio. This professionally built 1985 Ford Mustang GT is a serious race car engineered for both road course performance and legal street driving capability. Finished in a striking blue exterior with a white interior, this Mustang features extensive racing upgrades throughout the chassis, drivetrain, suspension, and safety systems while still carrying a clear street title. Under the hood sits a Keithcraft 340 cubic inch carbureted Ford engine built with an aftermarket block and paired with a 2-speed Powerglide transmission for dependable high-performance operation. The vehicle includes a full racing cage certified for SCCA and American Iron competition, along with documented race logbooks and dyno sheets. Additional performance upgrades include Maximum Motorsports suspension components, torque arm rear setup, subframe connectors, wide-body fiberglass panels, front splitter, rear wing, electric power steering, large aluminum radiator, fuel cell, removable steering wheel, and 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside, the cabin features Kirky racing seats, 5-point harnesses, GPS speedometer, and multiple racing safety systems. This Mustang GT represents an incredible opportunity for enthusiasts searching for a professionally built race car with exceptional engineering and proven performance capability. 12. 1989 Ford Mustang LX Hatchback. Price, $7,900, located Clinton Township, Michigan. This classic 1989 Ford Mustang LX hatchback is a solid Fox body muscle car that combines dependable 5-speed performance with classic late 80s styling and excellent street cruising capability. Finished in a gray exterior with a black interior, this Mustang delivers the aggressive appearance and lightweight performance character that made Fox body Mustangs legendary among American performance enthusiasts. Under the hood sits a reliable 302 cubic inch 5.0-liter V8 engine paired with a manual 5-speed transmission that provides strong acceleration and an engaging driving experience. The car also features several upgrades including a Hurst shifter, cold air intake system, adjustable coilover suspension, and newer exhaust setup that improves both performance and sound. According to the seller, the vehicle runs strong, shifts smoothly, and remains mechanically dependable overall. The tires still have excellent tread while the brakes are in good condition and ready for regular driving. Although the vehicle could benefit from cosmetic improvements including paint work and minor interior repairs, it remains a great affordable cruiser with classic Fox body personality and strong V8 performance, perfect for weekend driving and future customization projects.